Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to have your minds blown as we unravel the physics-defying, jaw-dropping magic of Lionel Messi's curved shots. Remember that unbelievable free kick against Nigeria in the 2018 World Cup? The goalkeeper probably thought, did this ball just check Google Maps? But no, what really happened was this. The moment Messi touched the ball, it started spinning 8 times per second. As if the ball whispered to itself, let me add some extra spin today. Here's where science steps in, with its sly trickster, the Magnus effect. This mind-bending phenomenon plays with the air around the ball so masterfully that the ball thinks, I was going straight. Where did this curve come from? Essentially, air pressure drops on one side and spikes on the other, just like when your office AC blasts from one side and you scramble to sit elsewhere. Messi's foot, it's basically a high-tech scientific lab. He strikes the ball at an 83-degree angle at the bottom, generating 400-600 RPM spin. Exactly like swirling a spoon in a yogurt cup so hard that all the fruit rises to the top. Barcelona researchers found that Messi's brain calculates 15 different variables and forms in just 1.3 seconds before taking a shot, from the goalkeeper's position to the ball's stitching pattern. But here's the best part. Messi's superpower is 90% hard work and 10% talent. As a kid, he practiced 500 shots daily until his foot and the ball developed a PhD-level understanding of each other. His training sessions looked like a mad scientist's experiment. Not once, not twice, but 500 times. Now, the big question. Can we learn this technique? Yes, but with conditions. Make the ball your best friend. Practice so much that the ball groans. Oh no, not this guy again. Have Messi-level patience. Because science says 10,000 hours of practice make a master. So, next time you see Messi's ball bend unnaturally mid-air, remember, it's not just a goal. It's science, sweat, and a sprinkle of sorcery. And to goalkeepers, just one advice. When Messi steps up for a free kick, start praying. Ever tried a curved shot? Comment below, are you a scientist or a wizard? And to those thinking, I can do this too, here's my challenge. Start practicing. Who knows, maybe one day we'll be dissecting your shots with physics.